This Tech Minute is sponsored by Auto Value. Visit us online for more information.
Slots or chamfers? Why do some brake pads have them, some don't, and some even have both? I'm going to tell you why. When you take a brand new brake pad out of the box, ever wonder why it has a slot, or a chamfer, or even both? The reason why is noise. A slot in some brake pads helps to break up the brake pad and shift the natural frequency of the pad. It can also help in degassing of the pad and make it cure evenly. A chamfer, on the other hand, is for noise. This can help to create an even and consistent friction surface across the brake pad with a nice straight edge with no tips that flex or edges that may cause noise. Some brake pads have these elements, some don't. Some may even have both of these elements. It's up to the vehicle, the brake pad designer, and engineer to decide if these are necessary for the brake pad. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.